your reaction. All right, guys, we're out here doing a quick video of. So this will probably be a couple days before, or a week before, 2 weeks before, whenever Matt's exhaust comes in, we're gonna throw it on. So this is going to be past John speaking to get some sound clips here. So we're out here where I take pictures all the time, and I'm gonna shoot a couple of clips of him coming this way, right down the road here. Try to get some sick angles, dude. All right, give her some corn, Matt-o. Give her the corn! Yee! Alright, so that's just the first one. So what kind of exhaust are you getting? Because I totally forgot. I ordered it, I don't remember.
CNT Racing axle back muffler delete.
So if you guys don't know what an axle back is, so axle back. It's pretty self-explanatory. So literally, he has the STI exhaust.
Yep.
All right, so he has the STI exhaust. Sorry for the wind noise. So basically, it's just replacing from the wheel section back of these two exhaust tips. So does it delete the muffler back here?
Yeah.
This is a WRX 2017.
Yep.
2017 WRX. No STI. He wanted it to be louder, so he threw on the STI exhaust. That was a year ago?
Yeah, about a year.
All right, bro.
Yeah, that was low though.
That sounded good.
Yeah,
What do you think?
It's gonna be louder. Alright, now what we doing, huh?
All right, you go up there. I'll sit right here. Show me what you got.
See you in a minute.
All right, so you guys heard it. Zoom out here. And so this is a previous video, so future John, take it away.
Right, Matt?
All right, so we're here. There's the videographer. See you, buddy. All right, so to Matt's acknowledgement, he thought that this would hook up to the STI exhaust. So he has from the mid pipe. Is it still a front, or is it normal down pipe and stuff?
Yeah.
It's just the mid pipe and back. Okay. So he got the mid pipe and the axle back for the STI exhaust, and he ordered it. He thought it said STI, but it's luckily for his favor, it's WRX. So we have the WRX mid pipe out of his car, and we're gonna. I'm gonna let him do as much as. He can, because it's his car. So right now we're taking the mid pipe out of the exhaust, and yeah. So we're putting the old mid pipe in, STI mid pipe out. This bolts onto this, back in there. It's all good. All right, so that wasn't strong enough. I mean, it's a stick. Ow, fuck. So it was kind of hard to get the impact on this last bolt here for the mid pipe. So I'm backing this one off, and we're gonna go ahead and pull this mid pipe. Then after this, it's literally just hangers. So after you get your mid pipe off, just go ahead and take it off the hangers. What I do for all my hangers, because these tend to be a mother effer, I always Vaseline them, you know, lube it up, and they normally pull right off. I'm having a little bit of an issue with this mid pipe hanger, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start to work the lubricant into here. That way it just pulls out a little smooth. Whenever I get that one done, hopefully I can just pull everything straight out. But that's what we're doing right now, and hopefully this will pull right off. Here's a comparison of on the whoa. On the left is the WRX, on the right is the STI mid-pipe. So this is what we have to put back on. This is what we took off. The main difference that I can see is just this mid-pipe just extends a little bit longer, which is weird. I wonder why that is. But so these are the CNT Racing new axle back exhaust muffler delete pipe. And he opted for the blue tip. Is that what this is?
Blue tip 3.5 inch.
I think it's gonna sound a lot better. So that's what it'll look like rather than this. I think it'll look a lot cooler. Blue goes with the Subi blue. So now we're going to put the WRX exhaust mid-pipe back on. This is off. There's no sense doing anything else with that. It sounds so much better.
Yeah, it does.
Hear the turbo much better.
You can hear the turbo.
Bridge. That lower, I just think it sounds a lot better. Oh, your reaction. Alright, so you've had the exhaust on for a couple of days. What do you think about it?
Good decision.
I wouldn't say exhaust, because it's just
axle back.
Yeah, it's a muffler delete.
But yeah, definitely improvement on the sound, deepness, loudness, crackles when you shift.
Yeah, when you downshift it, it gives that nice pop that a lot of people are looking for. But one thing I will say, because I've drove it a few times, that it doesn't drone in the cab, or not the cab, but like inside the vehicle at all. It's not like a real low, deep, annoying sound. It sounds essentially louder than what it's tough
louder,
to,
but
tough
it's
to
just
describe. It's
there.
like it's deeper,
It's just
but it's
there.
not drony. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. A couple of my videos are appearing on the screen now. Be sure to subscribe. I really appreciate it. A lot of the views that I get are from people that aren't subscribed. So if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe. I think it's in this corner right here. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to give the video a like and comment anything you guys suggest down below. All right, guys, see you in the next one.